So we will start that chapter today. Today we will
Yes,
start a new
ma'am.
chapter then, right?
Yes,
So
ma'am.
let's-
Yes.
I'm sharing the screen. Let's see.
Why the old woman?
Okay, so this previous chapter was completed. Today we are going to start this chapter.
By the old
This part, it's a, so it's a poem.
link.
The poem below is about the daily work of an African woman from Malawi, right?
Malawi.
So this poem is about an African woman, her life, what does she do for the whole day, and how she spends her day, just like that. So this poem is completely about an African woman. And who is the writer? Who has written this poem? The poem is written by Lupinga Fande.
Lubrika
Okay.
Pande.
Now let's see what is the name of the poem. The name of the poem is Why the Old Woman Limps. Why the Old Woman Limps. So what
And
does
limp?
limp mean? L-I-M-P, limp?
Don't know, ma'am.
Walking with difficulty.
Walking with difficulty, yes.
Walking with difficulties. So you can, if you want,
Yes,
you
you
can
said
also write down
last
the
day.
meanings, word meanings. Okay. So for limp, you write walking with difficulties. Who will read? Sheikh Aradhya Rahman, you read this one.
Yes, ma'am.
Read the first paragraph.
Okay. Do you know why the old woman sings? She is 60 years old with grandchildren to look after. Well, her sons and their wives are gone south to dig gold. Each day she milks the goat, shells the milk to buy soap, feeds and washes the children, and tethers the goat. In the evening, she tells all stories of old at the fireside. I know why the old woman sings.
Okay, that's
Yes, I'm done.
so in the first paragraph, in the first stanza, we can see what is written. Do you know why the old woman sings? So from the very first line, we can have an idea that this poem is going to be about a woman, right? So the life of a woman and about an old woman. So the poet has asked us one question in the very first line. Do you know why the old woman sings? So now he is going to explain that why that old woman sings.
Sings
She
means
is
what?
60 years. She is 60 years old with 6 grandchildren. So now we are going to read about the woman. So she is, what is her age? Her age is 60 years old and she has 6 grandchildren. 6 grandchildren she has to look after. So she needs to take care of them. She needs to look after them while her sons and their wives are gone south to dig gold. So they also work in the south. They have went there. They have shifted there. So their sons and their wives have shifted to the south for digging gold for their profession also. But their grandchildren are left with her, right? So 6 grandchildren she has to look after. Each day she milks the goat. So she has goats. She milks the goat means she takes the milk from the goat and sells the milk. So why she milks the goat? So that she can sell it to buy soap. Why she needs soap? Because 6 grandchildren she has. She need to wash them all, right? She need to clean them. She need to feed them. She need to tell them stories, and she feeds and washes the children and tethers the goat. What does tether mean? Tether means tying the goat. Tying the goat, yes, with a stand or with anything. Tying the goat with a rope, with any stand or anything to control its movement, right? So you can also write the word meaning so that the goat do not run away. So you can write the meaning of tether. Tethers, right? Tethers.
Yes, ma'am.
Tying any animal tying any animal with a rope to any particular support.
Can you repeat?
You
Tying
repeat.
an animal with a
Okay.
rope
Tying an
to
animal.
any support.
Tying an animal. Tying an animal.
Tying an animal with a rope to a support
With a rope.
to restrict its movement. To restrict its movement.
Tying an animal with a rope.
With a rope. R-O-P-E, rope. With a rope to a support.
To a support. Support.
To restrict its movement.
Restrict its movement.
Them to
To restrict its movement. Restrict. To restrict its movement.
yes, ma'am.
Okay.
Yes, done.
That means tying the goat. Why do we tie these domestic animals, goats and cattle? Why do we tie them? Why people tie them in villages?
They don't go
So
here
that
and
they
there.
don't, yes, so that they don't go here and there, they don't get lost, right? So that they stay in the house. They don't tie so tightly, right? They tie them very loosely so that they can walk freely, but they don't go anywhere else. So this is why they tie them. That is called tether or tethering. So she tethers the goat also. In the evening, she tells story. Okay, she tells stories of old at the fireside. Old
Excuse me,
stories,
ma'am.
the stories that she has heard. Yes, Shagni.
Please tell me my marks. You promised me you will say
Okay,
today.
yes, of course, I will tell you your marks. Just a second. Just a
Okay.
second. Okay, Shagnik, you have got another marks is also written here. Arijit, in section B, you have got 8 marks. Okay, so whatever the total marks you have got, you just add these 8 marks to that. Okay.
ma'am.
And
What I-
Shagnik, in section A, you have got in section A 16 marks. In section B, you have got 10 marks out of 20. And in section C, you have got, in the section C part A, you have got 10 marks. And in section C part B, you have got 12 marks. Okay, total you have got 48 marks out of 100. And now I must say Shagnik is the only student in this whole class who has attained that silver moon, that part, right? That
Which
writing.
one?
You have written about that, the silver moon, about the silver moon in the dark sky.
Oh,
You have written it. You have written it the cursed moon, right? Am I right?
yes,
Shagnik?
yes. Yes,
About
yes.
the cursed moon. Made it cursed, yes, but the story was quite nice, quite well. What you will have to work, you will have to work on your handwriting, because when you have started writing, then it's absolutely okay, no problem there. I could understand properly. But when I proceeded to the next pages, and at the last, in the last 3 or 4 pages, that was a little bit, it was a little bit difficult to understand that. So you need to work hard on that. And sentence making. Okay, in so many parts, I could see the sentences are not made properly. The tense, particularly the tense. Okay, so work well in making the sentence.
Ma'am,
And
ma'am,
in
and I-
maintaining the tense. Started.
Oh, Purvasa.
Purvasa, you marks I have told previously, right?
Ma'am,
In the
actually,
previous
I'm
day.
not present there that time.
You have got, I think, 55.
Okay.
Yes,
So
yes.
I will have to check that again for that, right? I will have to check that list. As Shagnik has told me yesterday, I told him that I will tell him the marks today. So I just separately, I kept it separately, and I have told him, okay, so Purvasha, I will check it again and I will tell you, because when I sit for this class, I don't keep all this data and information with me right now. So, and
Okay.
this is the exam of 31st July, right?
Yes,
After that,
yes.
2 exams you have written, you have given
No,
2 more
three.
exams.
Three.
3 exams you have given. Then, okay, so I will see that and I will tell you then. Okay.
Okay, ma'am.
Okay, now which line we were reading? In the evening, she tells stories of old. That means the old stories that she has heard from her grandmother, from her parents. She tells those stories to her grandchildren at the fireside. Because in the evening, you all know that in those countries or in villages, in some villages also, firesides are there. Like in front of the house, they just light the fire. Why? What is the purpose to light the fire there? One is to in the cold times or in the winter times, to keep to stay warm, or
Warm.
even
Warm.
if they live beside any
Or
forest or
lighting.
something like that, to keep any wild animal away from their home or house also, right? So if the
Yes.
village is near any forest, any wild
I mean,
part,
it also keeps in villages. It also keeps to sorry, ma'am. It keeps light, burning light to in the outside of the home
yes,
to.
for lightning also, if there is no electricity in villages, in remote areas, in villages, there is no electricity. So they need to
Yes,
light the
now
fire
also
to
in
get the
so
light.
many areas
So to get
in
the
India and
light,
outside also.
they may light the fire, or to protect
Yes.
themselves from wild animals. They also light the fire in front of their
Yes.
houses.
In Africa,
And
though, there are so many.
during the winter times, to keep them warm also, sometimes they light the fire. So these are the 3
Yes.
main reasons. And at the fireside, sitting at the fireside, she tells old stories to her grandchildren. I know why the old woman sings. Again, the poet has repeated this line, I know why the old woman sings. Now he will describe something else. So I'm reading this part. We will not be able to read this whole paragraph, this whole stanza, but 2 or 3 lines we can read. Do you know when the old woman sleeps? So again, the poet is asking us that do you know when the old woman sleeps? She rests with the dark. At night, she thinks of tomorrow. So at night also, she thinks of tomorrow, what she will do tomorrow, how she will do all the work on time. She is to feed the children. So what she will have to do tomorrow? She is to feed the children. So she will have to provide food to the children, feed them,
Yes.
graze the goat. Graze means, okay, write the word meaning of graze, G-R-A-Z-E, graze. Right, putting animals to feed on the grassland. Putting animals to feed on the grassland.
Putting animal.
So you must have
Putting animal.
seen that cattle or sheep or goats, they are left on empty, or they are left on fields so that they can graze. That means on grasslands, they can, so that they can eat the grasses all by their own, right? You must have seen that groups of cattle, groups of sheep, or groups of goats, they are left on a huge grassland so that they can eat the
I'm
grass
telling
in
repeat
their own.
the meaning.
So that is called grazing. Okay, so putting animals to feed on grassland.
Land. Yes.
So she will also have to do that. She is to weed the garden. Weed means
Weed.
what? Right? Weed means unwanted.
Clean.
Weed
To
means,
clean.
so we can use this word weed both as noun and verb. If we are using it as noun, then weed means unwanted plants. Unwanted
Yes,
plants.
yes.
Okay.
Unwanted
And if
plants.
we are using it as verb, that means removing the unwanted plants. Removing the unwanted plants. So we
Unwanted plants.
here it is used as verb. Okay. That means she will have to remove the unwanted plants from the garden. So
And what
if
are
weed
the
is
seedling
used as
plants?
verb, then it means removing the unwanted plants. And if it
Yeah.
is used as noun, then it means the unwanted plants. And then she needs to water the seedling beans. Seedling means small plants that have just germinated. Okay. So she needs to water those small plants of beans also. The thatch has to be mended. The barnyard cleared. Okay, the thatch has to be mended. What does thatch means?
Ma'am, don't.
What does thatch means? The thatch has to be mended. Thatch means the covering of the roof. In the villages, you must have seen that people make the roofs of their houses with leaves, with palm leaves, or with or
Yes.
like these with these elements, right? They make
Yes,
the
yes.
roof with leaves.
Coconut
So
leaves.
this is the coconut leaves. Very good. Yes, like that. So that is called thatch. And mended means repaired. Okay. So thatch means roof covering made with palm leaves or coconut leaves or similar materials.
And roof
And
covering.
root coverings made with palm leaves or coconut leaves or similar materials. Root coverings made with palm leaves or coconut leaves or similar materials. And then you write mended. Mended means repairing. Repair or repairing. Yes. So she need to repair the roof covering or thatch. The barnyard cleared. Barnyard means the open place. Open place in
Yes.
front of the house. So she need to clear that place also. Okay, today the class is all. Just mark up. So we will
I can't
continue
hear
in
ma'am
the
voice.
poem
Why? Yeah.
in the exercise. Okay, you read this part. If any problem is there, so this I will ask you first. Okay? Lines. I will ask you. Tell me for first 4 lines or 6 lines like that. Read. Okay.